I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file in Google Docs. We'll do the Drive Link Smart Chip first, then the PDF pages as images. Open Google Drive and sign in. If your PDF is already in Drive, skip this upload part. Otherwise, click New in the top left, choose File Upload, and pick the PDF from your computer. A small card appears in the bottom right with the upload progress. Wait until it changes to a green check. Now find the PDF in Drive and right-click it. Hit Share. The Share dialog opens and shows the file name at the top. Before you copy anything, look at General Access at the bottom. If it says Restricted, anyone you share the Google Doc with later will click the chip and get a Request Access screen instead of the PDF. Change that to anyone with the link or add the specific people now. Then click Copy Link. Drive shows a little link copied confirmation. Now open the Google Doc where the file should go. Click exactly where you want the Smart Chip to sit. The menu route is Insert, then Smart Chips, then File, which lets you search your drive, but I never use it when the link is already copied. Press Ctrl-V or Command-V on a Mac. A chip appears with the PDF name and a drive icon. Press Tab. That commits it and turns it into a linked file chip. Click that chip once. A preview panel opens on the right with the first page of the PDF, the file name, and an Open and Drive button. That means anyone with access can open the PDF from inside the doc. That is the Smart Chip method. Now the second way, when you need the actual PDF pages shown in the document, go back to Drive and double-click the same PDF. The preview opens, you need the pages as images. The quickest way for a short file is to screenshot each page. On Windows, press Windows-Shift-S and drag around the first page. On a Mac, press Shift-Command-4 and drag the same way. Save each page to your desktop. I name them Page 1, Page 2, so they upload in order. If the PDF is long, do not screenshot 20 pages. Use a free PDF to PNG converter, upload the PDF, and download all the pages as images in one go. Now go back to the doc and place the cursor exactly where the first page image should go. Click Insert, then Image, then Upload from Computer. The file picker opens. Navigate to your desktop and select the page images. Hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac to select several at once. Click Open. Google Docs inserts them in line with the text. Click the first image. Drag the corner handles to resize it so the page fills the width. While you drag, Google shows a purple alignment line when the edge lines up with the margin. Use that to keep all the pages straight. If the image is huge, it may have been inserted at full resolution, so resizing it down to the margin width makes it easier to manage. With the image still selected, look at the toolbar. The text wrap options are right there. For page images, I keep the default in line with text because the pages behave like paragraphs and stack in order. If you switch to wrap text, the document text flows around the page instead, which is usually not what you want for a full-page PDF. One thing to note, these pages are pictures. You cannot select or edit the PDF text inside the document, and a screen reader will not read the page. If you need searchable text, don't use this method. Now, a couple of things people ask right after this. If the PDF changes later, the chip and the images do not update automatically. Delete the old chip or image and reinsert it the same way. I always delete first because pasting a new link next to an old chip leaves you with two versions and somebody opens the wrong one. And if you need the PDF text to be editable, go back to Drive, right-click the PDF, choose Open With, then Google Docs. That creates a new editable document. But on a complex layout, the formatting shifts pretty hard, so I only use that for simple text files. If this got your PDF into the doc, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments help push this to other people looking for the same thing.